Alright, so my package has just arrived. It just came from Amazon. I waited about 2 weeks for this one, and it's actually a desk mount, so I'm going to attach it to my table, and I'm going to be able to get lighting, cameras and everything. So let's have a look. Get rid of this one. Let's have a look. Ooh, nice. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Check it out. Can't wait to get into this.
I'm strong. I gotta give it a go, yeah. I gotta grind, working for money in the door, yeah. Stop wasting time. You wasting your time for real. I'm about to no cap for real. Remember we came from the dark for real. Yeah, two, but they drown in the pool. Okay.
Alright, so I've finished unboxing the desk mount, and I just want to show you my setup. It's not 100% complete, but I just want to show you what it looks like. So let's have a look. Okay, so I want to show you what the back looks like. Okay, so the desk mount has to attach onto a shelf like this. So let me try and get that. So if you can see that, see how it's got the wall bracket thing, or it's got that wall thing. The reason why I'm using this table is because my table isn't properly made for this, so I had to actually support using a small table. So you might be able to attach this onto your table. So anyway, I'm using that at the moment. And then it comes with these three arms. So let's have a look at the first one. So the first one is connected to my webcam, so I'm just connected to my webcam there, like so. The second one, which is also connected to the microphone, so the microphone's here. And then finally the third arm, this is where the camera goes. So this is where I put the camera, and if I sit the camera like this is what you see. So it looks pretty good, and obviously I can move this around. So one really cool thing, this has got three arms, so I can actually move this around and put this on the other side, right? So this is probably the most important part. And the reason why I chose these three arms is because, I mean, the long one for the camera is so I can move this around. And one cool thing about this is that this is adjustable, so I can actually adjust this like left, right, up and down, as opposed to a tripod, which is just sits there and it's just fixed, which is really, really handy. This is so handy. Never realized how important this is. Okay, so that's what it looks like from the back. So let's have a look at what it looks like from the front. This is what my desk looks like from the front. So obviously this is where the camera goes, so the camera sits there and looks directly at me. This is the microphone, so obviously I can adjust the microphone, move it left and right, and I can even put it on top of here, so I can put it on top of the monitor, and it can, you know, easily see it. This is where that webcam is, so I can easily move this around. I might need to lift this up a bit. And obviously at the back I've got my softbox lighting, so this setup is really good. I hit record and then I'm good to go. That's it. It's all set up, and I can create really quick videos. So the great thing about this is that I can create really quick videos. It's fast. All I do is sit down, hit the record button, and therefore I've got the audio, I've got the sound and everything. It's all good to go, and then that's it. Copy, paste it into my desktop, and just go straight for editing. I save so much time. I don't have to keep going around the table and then adjusting my tripod and everything. It just goes straight into it. So I'm really happy with this. This is just the unboxing video. I'm going to post a proper review on this desk mount after a few days of test trying it and mucking around with it. But right now that's just the unboxing part of it. But stay tuned for the next video, which I'll go into it in a lot more detail. But hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next one. Cheers.